Hey everyone, and welcome back to Ideaplex, your go-to channel for the latest in tech and innovation. Today, we're diving into the world of animation with a platform called Animaker.com, a powerful online animation tool that's perfect for creating stunning videos, presentations, and more. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Animaker has something to offer. So let's see if Animaker can help you bring your ideas to life. What is Animaker? Animaker is designed to make animation accessible to everyone. With its user-friendly interface and extensive library of assets, you can bring your ideas to life without needing any prior animation experience. It is a cloud-based animation platform that offers a variety of tools to create professional-looking animations. It boasts a drag-and-drop interface, pre-made assets, and character templates. So first, let me sign up and visit their dashboard. One of the standout features of Animaker is its ease of use. The drag and drop interface makes it incredibly simple to create animations. You don't need any technical skills to get started. Just pick a template, customize it to your liking, and you're good to go. Number 2. Extensive library of assets. Animaker offers a vast library of pre-made characters, backgrounds, props, and animations. This means you have endless possibilities at your fingertips. Whether you're creating an explainer video, a presentation, or a fun animated short, you'll find everything you need. Number 3. Advanced customization options. For those who want more control over their animations, Animaker provides advanced customization options. You can modify characters, add voiceovers, include music, and even import your own assets. The customization options are nearly limitless. Number 4. Collaboration and sharing. Animaker also excels in collaboration and sharing. You can work with your team in real time, making it perfect for group projects or corporate presentations. Once your video is ready, sharing it is a breeze. You can download it in various formats or directly upload it to platforms like YouTube and Facebook. Now, let's take a live look at the Animaker platform. I'll walk you through the process of creating a simple animation, showcasing the drag and drop interface, pre-made assets, and some of the editing features. To wrap up, let's quickly go over the pros and cons of Animaker. On the plus side, user-friendly interface, wide variety of animation styles and assets, cloud-based platform for easy access, free plan available for beginners. Paid plans offer features for professional use. Cons: free plan limitations can be restrictive. Some advanced animation techniques might require more powerful software. Watermark on free plan exports. Overall, Animaker is a great platform for anyone looking to create engaging animated content without needing extensive animation experience. The user-friendly interface, vast library of assets and multiple animation styles make it a versatile tool for YouTubers, educators and businesses alike. If you're on a tight budget, the free plan is a good starting point. However, for professional use and more advanced features, a paid plan might be necessary. Now, let's talk about pricing. Animaker offers a variety of plans to suit different needs and budgets. There's a free plan with basic features, but for more advanced options, you can choose from their premium plans. These plans unlock additional assets, higher resolution downloads, and more. There are different tiers depending on your needs, so be sure to check out their pricing page for details. Don't just take our word for it. Here are some testimonials from real users who have transformed their content with Animaker. Thanks for watching this review on Ideaplex. So what do you think? Will you be giving Animaker a try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more insights on the latest digital tools and technologies. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.